How to upgrade AI Sonic plan. If you have been using the AI Sonic application and want to read on how to upgrade the plan on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap on to the crown button at the top, just right here. Select it. Now from here you can simply upgrade the AI Sonic plan. Now tap on to one of these options just like this that you want to add on the AI Sonic plan, and after that tap on to start now. Now simply pay the payment that you want to upgrade the plan on it, and simply you will get the upgrade onto your AI Sonic app. And that's it. This is how you can upgrade AI Sonic plan. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.